Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Open Windows apps 4.5x faster.
Let's get started.
Here is an awesome computer trick you didn't know about. You are going to absolutely love this one. Position your cursor on an app that you use a lot. Right-click on your mouse. This menu is going to pop up. Scroll all the way down until you find Properties. Click on it. Click your mouse on the box that says Shortcut Keys. Choose any unused keyboard combination. In my case, I am going to use Ctrl+Alt+C. Once you see that come up, click on OK. Next time you want launch that app, use that combination. That is all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos like these. I will see you guys again very soon.
New video every Saturday and Friday.